This is a video recording how do I manage GCP resources. So today I'm gonna use Ansible playbook for GCP automation to create a virtual machine, uh, which is gonna be a Linux server. So that's the goal. I already have a GCP project and I've already created a service account with a JSON file as credentials. Here's my playbook. So in this playbook, I've defined some variables with GCP parameters and VM info, name, machine type, and the image, which gonna be created in this VPC and subnet with some labels. First, I checked, I retrieved the VPC info where we're gonna need a self link to create the VM. Same thing. I retrieve the subnet info with this name, and we're gonna use those two things in this GCP compute instance module. So here in this module, we're gonna create the virtual machine. So we defined the project, the zone, machine type, image in this network, in this VPC and subnet with 3 tags. We have to put these 3 tags so we can apply the firewall rules from the VPC with labels. I also write down the public IP address so I can put it into a inventory. Then I can check if the virtual machine is available. But the main step will be this one, GCP compute instance. Before we start, we can have a chat of the existing resources. If we go to the GCP console, then we go to compute engine VM instances. There's no instances. If we double check it from command line, gcloud compute instances list, there's no instances existed. I'll just run a playbook, Ansible playbook VM YAML. This is my local machine, and I'm retrieving the VPC info and subnet info, then create the VPC. By the way, I'll paste the command here, which is Ansible playbook vm.yaml. I just paused the video, but the creation took me like 30 seconds. So you can see the VM has been created. This is the public IP address. We also waited for a few seconds that the VM is ready. If we go back to the console, refresh the page, you can see this is the new VM we just created, and this VM with this name is running in this VPC, in this subnet, with this storage and 3 tags. We can also check it from the command line. This is the new new VM we just created. But anyway, this is how I manage GCP resources with Ansible playbook.